Hello guys, welcome to Amer Studio. Today we are going to talk about which chip is the most suitable for Hyperion Burn. Yeah, as per our previous video, we showed that we need to change chip to Dragon chip so that it won't be easily burst. Yeah, as it is when it's using Hyperion 2 chip. Okay, as you can see here, we still the teeth is the same level with chip leg here. You can see that. Yeah, maybe it will be better view if you can try it by yourself using your own bay, but here you can see, I can show it to you also. Yeah, it's in the same level. Okay, so far I found two Super King chip which is suitable for our Hyperion Burn. Yeah, I try also a lot of Super King chip, but it's almost the same. Yeah, almost the same. It's just at the same level of the teeth is at the same level of the chip. It means that the leg of the chip is the same. But I found two actually chip which is very good in terms of click. Yeah, you can see first is our Dragon chip. This is our Dragon chip from Tempest Dragon. This means you need to take it from Tempest Dragon, and as I shown it in previous video. You can see here it's much better in terms of the height of the teeth. Yeah, it's upper than the level of chip here, and that make the grip, the click will be better for Hyperion. And the next chip is our Uranus chip. Yeah, our Uranus chip. People said that maybe Lucifer, but I tried it, it's just the same. Sorry, it's just the same level. But first Uranus is much better. Yeah, much better. Yeah, and the click will be better if we using first Uranus. First Uranus and Dragon. That's it. The chip that will be very good for Hyperion Burn, according to my analysis. It depends on I'm not sure if other people will found something else. Maybe you guys can share in comment. Feel free to comment, feel free to suggestion. We can analyze it later on. Okay guys, are we going to have a fight Hyperion Burn using this Uranus chip and with Rage Longinus? Yeah, Rage Longinus 3A and Destroy Dash. Okay, here we are. We are going to have a fight between Rage Longinus 3A Destroy Dash with Hyperion Burn. Not Burn, we change the chip to Uranus, then Hyperion Uranus, then not Hyperion Uranus, Uranus Burn. Yeah, Uranus Burn, Uranus Burn, Cho and Exit Dash. Okay, let's see, will Rage Longinus burst Uranus Burn later on. Okay, we'll be using long Super King launcher. This is on the left spin and this one is on the right spin. Okay, let's have a battle. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, okay, I don't see burst yet, but still, yeah, the click is already moving. I don't know, let's see. maybe I will try to use both dash or dash later on, because to have a better fight. Okay, let's try again. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Okay, still survive, and click not moving, yeah, after get hit with a Rage Longinus. Still survive. Let's try again. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Oh, Rage Longinus just killed himself. Okay, let's try again. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Wow. Oh, this battle did not let Rage Longinus win, yeah? I'm not sure. Okay, let's try again. I'm gonna change position for launching, so that Rage Longinus will not going out there. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go shoot. See, it's very dangerous to be in that position. Yeah. This is fight of knocking out. Yeah. You cannot win using spin still here. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Yeah, click still okay, just 1 or 2 click movement, but still not burst yet. Okay, I think I will try to change this driver to dash or dash, so that they can clash with each other, because this exit dash is quite yeah, move very much, yeah, actually. Okay, here we are. I changed the driver to dash or dash, the same as dash or dash for both of it, yeah, to have a fair fight. Okay, let's try again. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Yeah, no burst. No burst, no burst. Let's try again. No burst yet, yeah. I see no burst yet, no burst yet. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Oh, dangerous, dangerous. Then fighting off LED. Still no burst, and the click's not moving, yeah, still on the left side. Okay guys, I will try to compare when battle with Rage Longinus using its own chip. Next. Okay, I already changed it to its own original chip, which is Hyperion Chip, yeah. And let's have a fight with Rage Longinus. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Oh, still. But let's see the click for this one. See, it's more than half of the click already move here, but not burst yet. Let's see, because it's just only one hit just now. Only one hit, it goes like that. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Rage Longinus, why you kill yourself? Okay, let's try again. We are trying to get this Hyperion burst, but we're not seeing that yet. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Okay, this time this blade don't want to burst. I don't know why. I can't prove that it will be easily burst. Okay, 3, 2, 1, guys. Where is burst? Where is burst? Good. Let's try to launch on this area. Okay, maybe I should use Breath Valkyrie later on. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Burst, burst, burst. No. One burst, but the click is more than half already. Maybe my version of Hyperion is much better. I'm not sure yet, yeah. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Burst, burst, yeah, it's burst. Very hard to make it burst, guys. Yeah, but it's still burst, yeah. Thank you, guys. Bye bye.